How to troubleshoot common issues in the Android Accessibility Suite. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will teach you on how to troubleshoot common issues in the Android Accessibility Suite. So now let's get started. To troubleshoot common issues in the Android Accessibility Suite, ensure that these features are enabled. So first of all you need to do is go to Settings. Now navigate to Accessibility. Restart your device to fix minor glitches. Update the Accessibility Suite in the Google Play Store. Also adjust sensitivity settings if needed. Reinstall the Accessibility Suite via the Play Store. Ensure that necessary permissions are granted. You can also reset accessibility settings in Settings by going to Accessibility and Reset. These steps should help resolve most issues. So this is how to troubleshoot common issues in the Android Accessibility Suite. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.